Hi everyone, my name is Em and I'm a fashion designer. I normally post sewing videos, but this time it's a DIY video. I recently found this old sewing box for €8. Shocking. I don't know how old it is, but I found something similar online that was listed as from the first half of the 20th century. I hated the white color and I thought to spray paint it, that I decided I will only strip the paint and stain it, especially after finding photos online of how it looks like with natural wood. It's going to be 2, maybe 3 parts. I don't have any experience, so this will be a lot of trial and error. First thing I did was disassemble everything, so I have parts that I can work with. I found this in Hama, and it's supposed to strip the paint. So I tried 2 methods. One was to sand first and then apply this magic weird product. I don't even know the name of it. And the second method, I did not sand. And honestly, I don't see the difference, so let's not sand, guys. I literally watched one YouTube video before I did this, so I thought I was qualified enough. But what I learned is this product does work, but you have to use a lot of it. In the first attempt, I was using a thin layer with the brush, but in another clip, I used a lot and it did help. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I honestly have no idea why. I know it's because I'm doing something wrong. Here, as you can see, me trying to do it with one hand, it's getting a little bit of the layer. It needs some elbow grease. At some point, I decided to add a heavier layer, and it does work on a smoother surfaces, but not in the nooks and crannies. Like the leg really took a while for me to scrape all the paint from it. According to the one video I watched, you have to cover the product with a saran wrap so it doesn't dry out. I also repeated the steps multiple times until I saw the wood peeking through from the spray paint color. The box said to leave the product for at least 30 minutes, and I found that leaving it longer actually makes the product work better. I'll leave you with this satisfying clip of how easy it was to peel it. I removed most of the paint, but as you can see, it still has a long way to go. So this is where I'm ending the video, and I'm promising you the next video we shall remove all the paint and start staining this beautiful Edwardian inspired sewing box. See you next week. Bye!